Well, good morning, folks. We're at a new place today up in the Adirondacks in New York on a lake called Piseco Lake. Gonna give that a whirl up here visiting family who's camping here, and I thought I'd try a little fishing. So let's get at it. Thanks for coming. Let's have us an adventure. We'll take down your fishing pole, head down to the fishing hole. Might not get a bite all day, but don't you rush away. Great place to rest your bones, mighty fine for skipping stones. You'll feel fresh as a lemonade, just sitting in the shade. Man, it's nice. Really gotta love it out there. I know I said that too much, but hard not to. Party day, party. Let's see if we can't get some fish to bite. Ooh, here's somebody. Hit it right next to the boat. Even knocked you silly, didn't he? Sorry about that. Little guy, but it's a fish and he hit hard. Alrighty. Looks like we have pliers that are a little rusty. There he goes. Chain pickerel. I think my pliers need some help. There we go. Need a little Earl. Yeah, put a little Earl in them. Alright, see if we can't catch another. Oh man, they must be hitting it with their mouth shut or something. That's got to be the 6th time that something has hit it. I saw the one hit it twice. Actually saw him, good sized pickerel. He's been hitting it with his mouth shut. Can't really explain that. I don't hear a whole lot of people talk about it, but when you're in clear water like this, you can see they ain't got their mouth open. And some kind of instinct gets them to hit it. Sure cussedness, I guess. Good action though. Got one to the boat, one very big, but these bigger ones they're just whacking it, which is better than not, I guess, but ain't even snagged one yet. But that's better than nobody biting. We can't get somebody on the hook here. Keep him on the hook. Nice morning. Back at the camper, and the battery was low and the propane ran out. I said, oh, the heck with it. I'm going fishing. Gotta have your priorities. That stuff will wait. That stuff will wait. Get me some fishing in. See some cool critters. What a neat morning. Man. Makes you glad to be alive. Mist on the water. Beavers, geese. Saw a heron, didn't get a video of him or nothing, but eagle flew over. Man, Pretty sweet. Here we go again. Well, maybe it's because I was coming through here yesterday with this. Maybe I switched me to a different one about the same color. Sneak up on it. This is fun, but a lot more fun when you can get a hook. Sneaky buggers here. Oh! Oh man, maybe I just gotta wait for the water to warm up a little bit or something. Go take a break somewhere. Like they're interested, but boy, them mouths are just shut. Most like they're hitting the blades too or something. They're not even getting snagged. Amazing how fish can all be on kind of the same wavelength. So for that first little guy, boy, he really hit it right next to the boat. He definitely had it in the mouth. But these bigger ones, kind of fun though. Kind of fun. But the anticipation of catching one is starting to get to me. Oh, fish, grab it. Don't be such a slacker. Your mother was a sunfish. That's right. Here we go. Switch back to the spinner. And we got somebody. And there you go. A pickerel. Pretty nice one. Ooh, yeah, better let him wear himself out. There you go. Get you up, see? Nice pickerel. And it looks like, oh, and he let himself go. Wasn't that nice of him? Wasn't that nice of him? He's way back here in this shallow stuff. Thought I was snagged on something. I guess it was. But he actually bit it. I had that little spinner bait on. They kept hitting the blades. Thought maybe that would do the trick because they were hitting this thing with their mouth shut. Maybe they're waking up. Sun's starting to toast things up. I'm shedding clothing myself. I think it takes a while before it does it to the water, but it's a fish. Actually, I think so. Yep, got it on camera. That's never a guarantee. You really find out the hard way just how hard it is for people to do this. When you do it yourself. Get everything. Get the fish on, get it in the boat. Not get sliced or hooked. Get it on video. Saw a nice beaver this morning. Come up, I was hoping he'd swim right into the frame, but I guess he didn't. But he did put up a nice splash. But guess that probably didn't work out quite right, but still cool. Yeah, you can have things going on around you and you guys don't get to see it because I got a fake shoe the other way. Ooh, another hit. Well, shouldn't complain. Fish, my hands smell like fish. a great day. Mess with that camper stuff later. Battery, propane, solar panel wasn't working right yesterday. Put that away. Not gonna let it bother me though. There was a time when I'd let that get me all puckered up, but not anymore. Well, see if we can't get somebody else on the hook. Come back through here, try something else. Baby bass. Little baby bass out there, see if they'll grab that. See if they'll grab this one. Come through for me before. Got to find out. Here's some money. Yeah. Little pickerel. Pickerel. Alrighty. Oh, got himself up. Gotta love that. Gotta love that. Well, that's much better than just hitting it. Sure nice to get one to the boat, and in a pickle case not have to unhook it. Into another mip spinner, red and yellow. Be good with red and yellow. And lots of other colors. You certainly hear a lot of different things from different people about colors and what they use. I guess some of it matters and some of it is just mental. But for me, very confident in certain colors. Other people, they only use that stuff in the cloudy water. This is clear. I've been doing good with orange this morning and red, yellow. Well, at least as far as getting bit anyway. Getting them to the boat, that's another story. But having a good time, man, it's nice here. It's nice to be able to get on some cool things and catch some fish, get some hits. Hopefully, I'm getting it on video. See if we can't get another. Be nice to get another bass. Got a couple of them back here yesterday again. Little map book I got tells you something about each lake here in New York State Atlas or whatever. And it said smallmouth. Didn't say anything about pickerel or largemouth. But I ain't caught a smallmouth yet. Maybe they're down deep this time of year. This definitely ain't deep. Fishy, fishy, fishy. chores, but man, this is just too sweet. Too sweet. Even with fish that are whacking and not getting hooked, still fun. Got, I don't know, 3 or 4 the boat, I guess, something like that. Can't even remember. But hopefully I got them on video. But I think I'll hang out a little longer before I head back. Got to get propane and charge up that battery again. Yeah, but I'm by myself on over at my site, so nobody else is worried about it. Nobody else knows I'm slacking off. Nobody to bust me. You slacker. Out fishing instead of taking care of your stuff. Oh, another hit. Oh man, they just got a little bit of lockjaw this morning, a little bit of lockjaw. But at least they're doing something. And it caught me a few. Sure like catch one of them bass. I know you're in here. I know you're in here. Come and get it. Well, folks, had a fine morning. Sure glad you could join me. Sure is sweet here, kind of like it. Sister's been coming here for years and finally made it up to spend some time with her and her husband, my niece. And, since everybody sleeps in, I'm out fishing. Works out great. Fine morning on Lake Piseco, here in the Adirondacks, New York. A little bit different scenery. Kind of looks the same though. Fish look the same. Nice to go someplace else. Check things out. Go on an adventure. Thanks for joining me. If you get a chance, give me a like and a subscribe. Sure would appreciate it. We'll do more for you and have some more adventures. You folks have a great day. Thank you much.